Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple is all set to begin development on iOS 27 with new focus, building out software capabilities specifically designed for its first foldable iPhone, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. In the latest Power On newsletter, Gurman reveals that iOS 27 will prioritize foldable specific features, gearing up for Apple's much anticipated book-style foldable device expected to arrive in late 2026. Despite the shift in focus, regular iPhone users need not worry. iOS 27 is still expected to bring UI upgrades and features for standard devices. However, Apple is clearly steering some of its software innovation toward supporting an all-new hardware category. With Samsung having led the foldable market for over 7 years, Gurman notes there is significant pent-up demand from Apple loyalists, especially those who prefer a foldable experience without Android. In particular, China's strong preference for book-style foldables is said to have influenced Apple's direction over the flip phone style. As for the foldable iPhone itself, rumors suggest it will feature a 7.8-inch internal display and a 5.5-inch outer screen, aiming to solve typical foldable issues like display creases. Apple is said to be working on a more durable hinge mechanism using titanium and stainless steel for added strength. Expected to be dubbed the iPhone Fold, the device will likely be Apple's most expensive iPhone yet, with pricing rumored to start around $2,000. Instead of Face ID, it may use Touch ID in the side button to conserve internal space and is likely to come equipped with 48MP dual rear cameras. With iOS 27 laying the groundwork, Apple's foldable iPhone could mark a major shift in both hardware and software, bringing a new form factor to the iPhone lineup while maintaining Apple's trademark polish and ecosystem integration.